Me, I'm famous for, well, you know, smoking weed. That's it. Alright, we're back to knocking this motherfucker out. You just missed it, I just smacked my hand with the hammer. We might be able to do a little bit of heat. We'd have to go inside and grab a torch real quick. But heat makes it expand, which will make the aluminum expand. But if we hit the heat on just the outside, mostly, it can make that expand a little. You know what I'm saying? But if we hit this inner edge, it's gonna, and get this too warm, it's gonna expand that too, and then it'll expand with the aluminum. Although that's steel and aluminum, you know what I'm saying, should expand. It should expand before, at not as high of a heat as that. Plus that's thicker. Fuck, we're so close, Jeremy. And I see these marks, but I'm like, okay, a little fucking thing would make those marks too. All we gotta do is just get one out, but we don't want to go into here. We don't want to back up on them. Taking maybe heat might be our only option.
Or then maybe just a heat gun.
Oh yeah, we got that too. That might work too. Very good thinking, Lincoln. It gets hot. We can actually direct it, and it's not an open flame.
Yeah.
If you want a little bullet, can you? Don't burn yourself, Jeremy. Okay.
Oh, that one indeed.
Okay, flip it over. Let me see. I think I can hit it from the back now. See how it's all set. Dude, it's so close, Jeremy. We're so close, man. We are so close. Oh, did you load a bolt?
Yeah.
Right on, bud.
Should we keep it?
Yes. You know what that is? That's Jeremy and Thurlow 1 wheel 0.
That one's already loose.
There we go. You're a fucking man. We got this shit figured out. I think I just saw that. Oh, this motherfucker longer, Jeremy.
Well, look what we do. We shave down right here.
Had to modify the screwdriver a little bit to be able to fit down in here.
saw, we got the bearings out of the wheels. Now, I learned this little trick from Unknown Coatings, but basically instead of taping everything off, we're going to go ahead and use some foil, and then we'll use some tape as well, but we'll just kind of trim this foil up and use the foil because it can withstand the heat. Take a minute to say, if you haven't smashed that subscribe button down below, do us a favor. If you like these videos, do yourself a favor and smash the subscribe button. Hit the little bell that's right next to it. That way you receive post notifications or notifications every time we upload a new video or go live. Also, if you like this video and it's brought you any value, give it a thumbs up. It helps it be seen by more people. And if you don't like it, well, give it a thumbs down. We don't mind. If you have a question about what we're doing, go ahead and drop it in the comments down below. And another thing, I just want you guys to know we got something super, super special that we're going to be doing. We're going this afternoon to go pick it up. What day you're going to see this, who knows? But you're going to see this before you see what we got special going on. And we'll drop some of that footage here in just a bit. We're excited to be working with some really cool, really good people. Yeah! Let me get this finished up. Almost done. And again, shout out to Unknown Coatings for dropping this hint and doing this on your channel, showing people what's up on how they can be able to do this. Unknown Coatings, famous for being unknown. Me, I'm famous for, well, you know, smoking weed. That's it. Nothing big. So, there we go. Now, this is going to have to be off gas, get all the oils off of it, all that good stuff. First we'll blow it off with the air, then we'll go ahead and get it off gas. I need to go ahead and put this hook on it real quick, so I'll do that right now. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and hang this in the oven. Oops, make sure we tighten it up. And get it to start doing a little bit of the old hot gassing. Ready to roll. First, we gotta blow it off with some air. Yeah, what's up everybody? We're gonna go ahead and do these, is it Astatic Red? These are some Suzuki CBR 1000 wheels from a 2006 Suzuki. So we're gonna go ahead and GSXR, I believe I said it right? Yeah, Suzuki GSXR 1000. But we're gonna go ahead and do these. Astatic Red, this is a really cool red. Let's get it. Oh, this is lovely, dude. Now you can see we got the Eastwood HotCoat PCS 1000 dialed in. This laid on perfect. Yes, it took a little bit of time for us. This is our, so we used the hopper from the second machine that was sent, and we used the gun from the second machine, but we kept the actual same box because we need a fitting to hook the second one up. But this laid on absolutely beautifully. Alright everybody, we're going to go ahead and do the second wheel. This is the back wheel for that same Suzuki. This is Astatic Red. Astatic Red. Astatic! So I got the last part of the wheel that needs to be powder coated red. I got that last part outgassed and it is cooling down so it can be powder coated. So this is the last piece of the back wheel we have for the GSXR. So we're gonna go ahead and get this finished. Into the oven.